read the new administration's new tax plan, and it looks like I get a tax cut. And I guess I just wanted to say that I don't need a tax cut. I'm happy to pay taxes. I believe I should pay taxes, and I actually believe that people like me should probably pay more tax. I've been very fortunate and am very privileged, and I'm happy to pay my fair share. And I guess it's just a little confusing to me because in this tax plan, 95% of Americans, basically Americans that make less than $360,000 a year, will not get tax cuts. They will have their taxes go up, which means their cost of living will go up and their income will go down. And that's really shitty.
Here's what it looks like. If you make between $28,000 to $157,000, you'll be paying 20%. But if you make between $157,000 to $360,000, you only pay 15%. And if you make between $360,000 to $914,000, you only pay 4%. But if you make anything above $914,000, you only pay 1%. Now, whether you like it or not, there's really nothing you can do about it or change. So instead of whining and complain about it, what you need to focus on is increase your income and figure out some legal tax loophole that you can actually do so you pay less to Uncle Sam. One thing that can really help you reducing the amount of tax that you pay to Uncle Sam is you need to start a business. Create an LLC, whether it's a part-time gig or a full-time gig. But what you can do is you can start writing off a lot of stuff against your income, reduce the amount of tax that you pay to Uncle Sam because you can start writing off a lot of things as an entrepreneur versus just a W-2 earner. For example, you can turn one of the bedroom in your house into an office and rent that office back to you, and you can write that off on your income. You can start tracking the mileage and the gas that you use on your car for your business, and you can also write that against your income. Now, if you go on a vacation trip, but it's also a business trip, you can also write that against your income. Well, imagine if you make $50,000 and then you spend $25,000 on kickstarting your business, you can write that $25,000 against your income, and a lot of times you might not pay anything to Uncle Sam. Another way is buy some rental property, and you can depreciate the property over the next 27 and a half years. You can write that against your income. That's going to also help you with your taxes. Now, I'm not a tax expert, and this is not a legal advice. Please check with your CPA. Remember, you either stay as a victim or you rise above the noise and come out as the victor. The info's there. The choice is yours. Good luck, and let's go get this money.